What if eating less could add more healthy years to your life? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share how simple calorie reduction can transform your health, enhance your liver function, and set you on the path to mastering intermittent fasting. Meet Mark, one of my incredible clients. He came to me feeling overwhelmed, tired all the time, struggling with stubborn weight gain, and battling chronic inflammation. We decided to explore calorie reduction as a starting point for his health journey. Mark was skeptical at first. How could eating less possibly help? But after understanding the science behind calorie restriction, he decided to give it a shot. We gradually reduced his calorie intake by making small, manageable changes to his diet. The results were remarkable. Within just a few weeks, Mark began to feel more energized, his inflammation decreased, and he started losing weight without feeling deprived. As his body adjusted to these changes, he felt ready to embrace intermittent fasting fully. By combining both strategies, he transformed his health in ways he never thought possible. 3 secrets. Number 1, the science of calorie restriction. Research shows that reducing calorie intake can lead to a metabolic boost and lower oxidative stress levels in the body. This not only promotes longevity, but also enhances liver function. A healthier liver means better detoxification, reduced body fat, and a lighter toxic load. Your body can finally start repairing and rejuvenating itself. Secret number 2, the gradual transition to intermittent fasting. If jumping straight into intermittent fasting feels intimidating, that's okay. Calorie restriction can be a perfect segue. Start by cutting back on your daily intake by just 100 to 200 calories. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that keep you full. Think vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This will make it easier for you to transition into intermittent fasting as your body adapts. Secret number 3, sustainable calorie reduction. Here are some actionable tips to help you get started. Prioritize whole foods. Fill your plate with colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to stay satisfied. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water together with electrolytes. Sometimes we confuse thirst with hunger. Now that you see how calorie reduction can rejuvenate your body and pave the way for intermittent fasting, I want to encourage you to take action. Start implementing these strategies today. Take a moment to reflect on your current eating habits and think about where you can make small adjustments. Remember, every little change counts. And if you're ready to dive deeper into this journey, stay tuned for my upcoming content where I'll share comprehensive strategies and meal plans to help you achieve a balanced body and lasting health. Transform your health by embracing calorie reduction as a stepping stone to intermittent fasting. Start today and watch how your body responds. Remember to subscribe for more tips and insights on achieving a healthier, happier you.